We're talking about building a robot seagull that can actually fly and track himself on GPS and communicate long distance through radio frequency waves, and has visual recognition systems so he can see where he's going and chart his plan his pathing accordingly. And we're talking about this seagull will be able to walk around on the ground. He'll have working talons. He'll be able to pick up stuff in his feet and fly it. He'll be able to connect to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. He'll be able to record what he sees through his little bird eyes. And he'll be able to eat. He's gonna have a metal detector built in. He's gonna search the beaches for precious metals, lost wedding rings and stuff, and he's gonna dig it up with his beak, and he's gonna fly the metals home after swallowing them. He's gonna gather a bunch of rings and coins and stuff and fly it home. Quarters, nickels, dimes. He's gonna get all that stuff and bring it back to me. And so he'll make me money that way. I think it'd just be really fun to have a stealth drone, because it's a seagull. Nobody's going to suspect a seagull. Or I could use a different bird. I could use like a crow or something, but it's a stealth drone because it's going to look like a real bird. I'll even kill a seagull or buy seagull feathers. I don't know if I have to kill it. I could probably buy, a taxidermy seagull and convert it into a robot without even having to get the animal myself. I'll just buy an animal. Um, Although it'd be kind of fun to go out and kill a seagull. I don't know what the laws are on that. That'd be kind of fun, just to add to the whole experience of this thing. But yeah, man, this is gonna be epic.